Wow, what a beautiful piece of jewelry it is. Must be expensive. It seems, but it's not. Bought it from one of the roadside shops?
Is everything correct? Sure. Everyone must be searching for some grammatical error, but the error is in this sentence. The word roadside has always been used incorrectly by us, although we've been using it since ages. Then what's the real meaning and the correct usage? Let's see. Roadside means the area on either side of a road, whichever side it is, but area. Mark my words, area. What does it mean? This whole area, open area. For example, sea beach. Anything on this land? Trees, stream, river, industry, pole, anything it could be. That's roadside. But if anything is on the edge of a road, this symmetrical line, for example, riverbank, it could be either side of the road. It's not roadside, it's wayside. What it is? Wayside. Wayside shops, wayside pavement. Suppose you're driving or riding. Suddenly, your cell phone rings, and obviously, to see who's calling, you park your bicycle on the edge. It happens a lot, right? This is for pedestrian. 90% of us say, I am waiting at the roadside. Nobody, you aren't. You're waiting at the wayside. Now you're waiting at the roadside. But this is wayside. Hey dude, I'm right next to the turn direction signboard on the roadside. Now, the question is, when it's not roadside, why is everyone saying it this way then? And that since ages. So you tell me, when we knew Corona is there, why couldn't we take basic hygiene and proper necessary steps? So, what matters is, whenever you get to know something new, something right, be open to accept it and respect it. Or, can you suggest me the reason? Why were we using it wrong way? Were you saying it this way? Or did you already know the difference between roadside and wayside? Waiting for your comments. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, press the bell to appreciate my work. Videos and playlists will be uploaded soon. Take care. Bye-bye.